But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Today I'll be trying out the Oneisall Pet Grooming Kit. This device has a vacuum, a blow dryer, trimmers, and tons of accessories. For the vacuum, you'll get a de-shedding brush, a slicker brush, and the trimmers. It also comes with 3 different nozzles when using the blow dryer. Both the hoses are long, flexible, and easy to connect. You can quickly change between vacuum and blower using the top switch, and the dial in the middle will adjust the blower speed and the wind noise. You can also adjust the temperature of the blower. We'll start things off by trying out the vacuum. As you can see, the hose connects quickly and easily. This is Rico. He has a fear of going to the groomers, so I hope he'll enjoy being groomed here at home. So far so good. Now I'll slowly introduce the hose. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible while still simulating a grooming. Rico's doing a great job. Now's the perfect time to give him a treat. Giving your pup a treat throughout the grooming process is a great way to keep their attention. Now I can start the actual grooming. This is a de-shedding brush. It's great for removing loose fur. Turn on the vacuum and lightly brush your pet. The blade has a slight curve in it, which is great around your pet's back and head. The hair will slowly accumulate on the brush. Once the brush is full, all you have to do is press this button on the back, and the hair will get released into the vacuum. Rico's still doing an awesome job. I think it's time for another treat. Next, we have the slicker brush. This has many small, soft pins that won't scratch your pet and help penetrate the fur to get to the undercoat. The accessories are swapped with just a push of a button. The slicker brush is used on the vacuum setting as well. It's gentle enough to use around your pet's face, and it helps get all those tangles out. This brush works just like the de-shedding brush. All you have to do is press this button on the back, and all the fur is sucked into the vacuum. Once the tangles are removed, you can give your pup a haircut. This trimmer is nice and compact, and it can be used with or without the vacuum. It's ultra quiet, and it works great with any type of fur. It also comes with different size head attachments. Rico is a Yorkie, and he has silky fur, which usually clogs up the trimmers that I get. Let's see how well this trimmer works with his fur. Just like before, the accessories are changed with just a push of a button. If you don't engage the vacuum correctly, the hair will not get sucked in, as you can see here. Once you adjust the switch properly to turn on the vacuum, the hair gets sucked in immediately. Having a vacuum trimmer combo is such an amazing tool. The hair gets pulled up evenly, so the cut is nice and smooth every single time. The vacuum helps minimize snags and tangles, and it cut my grooming time in half. It's also extremely quiet and didn't startle my pup at all. Swapping the head attachments is quick and easy. It comes with pretty much any size you'll need for the perfect cut on any animal. This smaller attachment is great for grooming around the face and eyes. Overall, I was highly impressed with the trimmer on this grooming kit. It didn't snag at all, and it handled my Yorkie's silky fur without any problems. Emptying out the chamber takes only seconds. The lid pops open with the push of a button, and you can empty the chamber straight to the trash bin. It snaps right back into place, and it's ready to go again. As much as Rico dislikes the groomers, he's doing really well with his grooming kit. Now that he's all trimmed up, we can clean up the mess with this vacuum nozzle. The vacuum on the trimmer works so well that there's hardly any hair to pick up. But if there's anything left, this nozzle will find it. It works great for vacuuming both your pet and the grooming station. The slim nozzle is great for getting in those cracks and crevices. Now that Rico's all trimmed up, we can give him a bath and try out the heated blow drying feature. He really dislikes the water, so we're going to skip right to the end. Before trying out the blow dryer, make sure to dry off your pet with a nice warm towel. This is usually Rico's favorite part about bath time, but I think he's going to like the blow dryer a whole lot better. Even after drying him off with a towel, he's still damp and a little cold. Let's connect the drying hose and get him warmed up. This is the round nozzle. It's great for any type of fur. Make sure you switch the unit into blower mode. You can still adjust the blower speed, and you have 7 temperatures to choose from. This device can cut your drying time by up to 50%. And with all the adjustable settings, you can find the right temperature and blower speed for your pet. Some dogs are a bit sensitive around the face and ears. If that's the case, all you have to do is turn down the blower speed. He's still not a fan, but it's much better than before, and way better than using the towel. Next, I'll be trying the finger nozzle. This is great for dogs with double coats, and it helps get the fur nice and fluffy. It also has a big surface area, so it dries quickly. And just like that, this little guy is trimmed, groomed, dried, and ready to go. They also included this attachment, which is great for removing fur from your clothing. I was highly impressed with this Oneisall grooming kit. It did everything I needed, and it's great for dogs both big and small. If you'd like to learn more about it, check out the link below, and thanks for watching.